Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Highlander tail light. First, open your vehicle's rear liftgate to gain full access to the tail light assembly. You will then need to locate and carefully remove the two 10mm bolts that firmly secure the tail light in place. Once those bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light unit straight back, away from the vehicle, to disengage it from its mounting clips. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. With the tail light assembly now partially free, your next step is to disconnect the electrical components. You will find several bulb sockets. Simply twist each one counterclockwise to release the bulbs from the housing. Additionally, there are electrical connectors that need to be unclipped. Gently press the small release tabs on these connectors and pull them apart. Make sure all wiring is completely detached from the tail light unit before attempting to remove it entirely from the vehicle. To ensure a smooth and damage-free removal, here are a few helpful tips. Consider using a plastic trim tool around the edges of the tail light to gently pry it away, which helps prevent any scratches to your vehicle's paintwork. When pulling the assembly, apply gentle and even pressure, always pulling straight back. If the light feels stubborn or stuck, double-check for any overlooked hidden clips or screws that might still be securing it. Patience is key here. Now, let's put everything back together. Begin by reconnecting all the electrical connectors and twisting the bulb sockets back into their respective positions. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and gently push it into place until it clicks. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts, tightening them firmly, but being careful not to over-tighten. Finally, before closing the liftgate, thoroughly test all your lights, including the brake, turn signal, and reverse lights to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.